Welcome back. Okay, so I'm not quite ready to put this together yet, but I thought I'd make a video about picking out the parts. So the piano, these are all the pre-painted parts, and you'll see it specifies which bag some of the parts are from. And then you have this sheet to match them up with. So you can just go just like this. I think that's that one. That one. I already cut this guy out. This was on one of the printed pages. There. And so this is just a video about organization. Now this piece is B8 and it's thicker. The reason I point that out, so here's B8, which this tells you what bag, this number here, 323223, that tells you which bag they're in, this short number. So the D1 didn't say anything, and maybe it's just me. I was like digging all over the place trying to find it on one of these sheets and wasn't expecting to find it where I did, so I'm going to point it out here. So this sheet, which is a thinner card, it's this guy. So when you have that and you pop that out, notice how thin this is in comparison to I don't know if that's in focus, I'm sorry, the wood. So it's much thinner. So it took me a while to figure out where that was. So that's this piece, and that the reason it's so thin is it's going to get wrapped up in fabric to make the pillow that goes on the chair. So that's the piece that's thicker, and there's that. And then we have these guys. These just feel like, I don't know, paper, cardboard, something. Those are going to be the legs on the stool. And then you have all these guys too. Those guys over here, and these guys over here. So you just have to get that. And then this here, this line, that's the, it looks like this. It's a gold pen. And I think it's funny, they just give you the insert for their ballpoint or whatever. Just a little gold pen. So if you were to pop the cap off, it's just kind of, do you see, I don't know if you can see that there. It's just like a little gold, where is it in the camera? There it is. Kind of looks yellow, but it's got a gold to it, and it's a little sparkly, I think. So that's exciting. Yeah, gold refill. So I guess we could get started. Now that I have this mount, I'm so confused because it's like I don't have to stop. I was going to get out some old phones I have to switch from the phone I use normally to a different phone for doing this, but I don't remember the pattern to unlock them. So I may have to reset them, but anyway, I'm getting there. If you guys like this series, I will take it a little more seriously on actually trying to record it. Okay. A46 and A47 are the ones we'll need first. And so you refer to here, this big guy, and these two little guys that are above it. So we need that, and better match them back up. Yeah, it's this one and this one. So you're just going to take your glue, and I don't know if this would help anybody else. I keep this. This is the bag that oh well, as I was saying about the glue. That's all it says about it. But I keep this bag around, and I'll put dollops of the glue on it, and I use this bent up paper clip in case I need to spread it or move it around. Because if you get too much, it kind of gets messy and it gets all over the place. And then I also have all these pieces of tape around. Get you back where we are. Okay. I'm only going to do some because I don't want to kill my phone also recording. I need like a laptop and a webcam. Trying to decide which side to put out. This has a nicer grain on it, so I'm going to put that on the outside. And try to pay attention. I don't know if this makes a difference to which. So I think these are up against it rather than. Actually, I'm not sure. I'm not sure whether or not these go on the outside of it or on the inside of it. And it's hard to tell. Wonder if I should do this part first. Alright, let's scoot this over. That's A43, which is this guy. I didn't write on these like I was with the regular wood ones that I was putting paper on. And then this guy. Because I didn't know what would show up. Okay. It's another glue as shown. And with this, okay, let's see. This is just a silicone mat that I have, this plume mat. I actually bought it on eBay as like maybe a baking sheet for a toaster oven, but it's a little too small. So now it's for stuff like this. Okay, so that's good. So this part that I was worried about is going to actually have to fit around this, so that can give me an idea. Maybe I could tape them on and see what they look like. I'm so used to like screwing stuff up when I make it that I feel like I need to be extra careful. Okay, so if I tape this on, like that, well, at least if I figure this out, then if you're making the same thing, you'll know. Oh, it goes this way. Ugh. Okay, so if I have it where it's glued like that, will it sit correctly? Yeah, that looks... Oh. There's these other parts that go on here. I think that's still good. Oh wait, there's a top that goes on. I just hate to glue this one part and have the rest of it not fit together because of it. Yeah. Sorry, I feel like I'm fussing, but I'm not used to doing this on camera. I'm used to doing this and then showing you afterwards. I guess if I do it and I have to pop it off, it's going to be on the inside anyway. It's not going to matter that much. All right, move you over. Too much glue. Doesn't feel like it wants to sit against there really well too. Like the Woods Bode. Please don't. See what I mean about too much glue? Like it's all like coming out of the crease right there. Okay. This is why other people who have done these projects on YouTube edit it down. Because, yeah. I mean, how thrilling is this? Way off. Oh, come on. This glue does actually dry pretty quickly, though. Doesn't look like it's sticking out too much. Okay, I'm going to put it like that, I think. Okay. A44. Back to our sheet here. This one. Think. So that just fits through there like that. And it does say glue is shown. Can you hear my cat? He's upstairs yelling. Okay. B9. These guys. That's cute. That's cute. And it goes with the bump out like a foot. Like so. And I guess it'll glue on the top and the bottom. They're pretty far out. Oh man, does that doesn't even sit. Okay, I'm gonna have to tape this down.